What's the meaning of comforter? Comforter. Comforter.
Comforter. Comforter. A comforter is a type of bedding typically filled with down or a synthetic material, used to provide warmth and comfort while sleeping. It is also sometimes referred to as a duvet or quilt. Comforters come in various sizes and styles and can be used alone or with other bedding accessories such as sheets and pillowcases. They are commonly found in households across the world, providing a cozy and comfortable sleeping environment. Overall, a comforter is an essential item for anyone looking to create a comfortable and inviting bed.